chucking. There's nothing more I can do with it like this, so I'm going to turn it around.
Not right now. Right now we're just going to deal with basic left-hand tools, boring former, and transfer tools. Yep. Yeah, I got a program here.
All right, now, as we did earlier, I'm going to take my left-hand tool, let's see, which is the blue gun, or the blue gun. And I never remember, so I always got to point the thing at myself, no, that's the right shoulder, that's the left shoulder, all right. And besides, you can, if it's pointing generally in the direction that you're going to cut, it's the right tool. So all kinds of memory aids, and I need them all. I need every memory aid I can. Make sure there's no chips at the bottom of my holder. Find that left-hand tool again. Put it in here temporarily. Try not to drop it. Alright, bring up my tailstock, lock it down so that it's accurate. Get the altitude adjusted here. Long handle. I'm using the tip. Alright. Move it around. Adjust our tool holder to be perpendicular to the ground, or parallel to the ground. Alright, come in until it touches. Now, I hear it clicking, but I see daylight. It's just hitting a chip. So I'm going to go a little more. Okay, that's really where it's touching. Set this to 0. Bring my tool off, go this way 20 thousandths, and make it count. Okay. And I'll just, everybody says, I stay solid, so I gotta cut more. And good.